Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to Costco to find 5 easy, simple, and healthy dinner ideas to help you with your busy lives. Hey, my name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple and I am your holistic pediatrician on call. I am an eczema specialist and my mission is to inspire, educate, and empower families to raise healthy children in this unhealthy world. You may be wondering, why is a pediatrician showing us how to grocery stuff? That's weird. She should be talking about ear infections, snot, boogers, and congestion. Well, did you know that Hippocrates, thousands of years ago, said, "Let food be thy medicine, thy food"? And in today's world, we're so busy, we're so confused, we don't even know how to shop for food, not because it's your fault, because the food industry has completely baffled us with the marketing and all the tricks in order to get us to spend more money, which has made our children sicker. Do you know that we have more ADHD, eczema, asthma, allergies, constipation than ever before? Even though we have more technology and more resources, this is not okay. Unfortunately, one of the technology and resources and that's been happening is actually polluting our food. So today, we're going to Costco. Parents ask me, what supplements should we do for this and that? And there's just no supplement that can outdo a bad diet or a poor lifestyle. And there's no judgment here. Just know that 12 years ago, my kids were eating Burger King chicken nuggets, Chick-fil-A, chocolate milk, juices, Lunchables, Uncrustables, you name a garbage, we were eating it. So I hear you. And one of my missions is to help break through the barriers of the excuses we all have. We're too busy. It costs too much. We don't know how to do it. It's too confusing. So hang with me. We're going to bust through all those things. We're going to use Costco and I'm going to show you how to make your family better dinners with less money and less time. Here's where I need your guys' help before we go in there. If these videos, if you find them helpful, I would love for you to share them with your friends, family members, and subscribe to my channel. It's all free, so I'm not asking for any money. What I'm asking for is that together we can make a bigger difference in more people's lives. Oftentimes people don't really believe me, or your family members don't really believe you, or your friends think you're really weird. So you're gonna send them this video with my face in it and be like, oh yeah, well that weird doctor said that. And therefore, together we can inspire change because we're all about a wellness revolution for our children because it's time to take action and do things for that. Now, let's go shopping. Right, okay, well, the question on everybody's mind, of course, is always the grass-fed Polish sausage. So let's look at the ingredients. All right, we have our grass-fed beef, which we love that, and sea salt, vinegar, spices. Now, you see the celery powder. So this is a processed food. You can have sometimes. This is not a weekly night thing. We're talking like once a month kind of thing. Now, many people get upset over the celery powder, but this is what happens. Celery powder is a very high nitrite food, and when we heat it up in this sausage, right, because we're going to cook it, it's going to turn to nitrites, which is carcinogenic, and by the WHO, not by me. And so we want to have this in very small doses infrequently. All right, what we have here. So we have the sliced sirloin grass-fed beef, which makes me very happy. And then we looked at the ingredients. And my issue with this one is there's canola oil. So, I prefer that I don't have canola oil and you don't have canola oil in your diet because it's very high omega-6. But it is grass-fed beef. And don't despair, I got you a definite do. This company right here, we'll look at the ingredients. Only awesome ingredients, no no-nos. This is a definite yes. All right, well, check these guys out. Oven roasted potatoes. Let's look at their ingredients right here. No, they're not organic, but we are gonna go with a yes. Avocado oil, sea salt, black pepper. I am pumped about this. Find this is a definite yes. So I'm like, no, 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 no. Oh, hey, what do we have here? 100% grass-fed beef patties at $21.99. They're 15 patties. The only ingredient is grass-fed beef, already made in patties for you. The cost per patty is $1.50. And you can just take them from frozen, chuck them on a grill or in a pan. Plant-based world, I don't like either one of these because they just have way too many ingredients that I don't like. However, I do love Dr. Prager's California veggie burgers. What a great, easy item. Check out the ingredients. You grab them out of here, heat them up, boom. vegan and yummy. Now, you've heard me talk about these before, the organic chicken sausage. This with the side of those potatoes that we looked at and a side salad. What are our ingredients? Right here. We have chicken, salt, spices, lemon peel powder. These are a go. It's not a Costco trip unless we talk about veggies. So check this out, organic rice cauliflower stir fry. Let's look at the ingredients. All right, here are the ingredients for this. All right, you're gonna have to read them really fast. Anyway, just looked into all of them, all organic ingredients, no canola oil. We do have sesame oil. This is definitely a yes. Okay, you can grab organic broccoli and you heat it up in less time than you make a salad. You also have organic green beans you can heat up as well if you don't feel like chopping up veggies. Right, your kids are screaming for a dessert, so you don't know what to make. Oh, look at this. At $10.79, a pack of organic smoothies all in one. And you just chuck them in a blender with your favorite milk and you're done. The cost is $1.75 per smoothie. Here's a hack for my busy mamas. You know, rice can take between 15 and 30 minutes to cook, and sometimes you only have 2 minutes. Well, organic rice cauliflower is the answer. 2 minutes to heat up. They're fabulous. And we have, that's right, our pot stickers. These are so delicious. My picky eater eats them actually for lunch, but you could heat these up 5 minutes, chuck them in a thermos, and you can take them with you to your favorite sport activity and avoid fast food drive-thru. I'm a big fan of Indian food, and here we have an organic option. Let's look at the ingredients. As you can see here, there's just water, lentils, kidney beans. There is organic sunflower oil. This is a great thing. You can heat up and put it on your rice cauliflower. That this was helpful. We looked at quick, easy meals that are heat up and go, no assembly required. We looked at chicken and grass-fed beef, tons of vegetable options and side items. And then I also ended up with this coat. I mean, I'm here to do a video and I walked away with a coat. Do you see? I love this store. It inspires you to make more at-home meals that are super quick, and then you can take them along with you in the car when you're chauffeuring the children back and forth to their 10 million activities, so we can save a little money, save a little time, and save our health by protecting us from the fast food line. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple, your holistic pediatrician on call. And if you need any more expert advice on how to raise healthy children in this unhealthy world, go over to Amazon and grab a copy of my latest book, The Rule of 5. It will be worth your time and money. See you guys next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me comments and suggestions so I can make better videos for you and your family.